Alright guys, here's part 2 of putting the snow plow on the mule. And he got the car back together. I didn't film it because I wasn't here. So we're going to go ahead and get this plow mount on it. And that's what we've been waiting on, to hook the plow to the mule. So pretty much out of the box, this thing's basically all ready to go. So what we gotta do, just throw it on the mule. Alright, so we got it lined up with the snow plow. So what do we do first? So we're gonna put the carriage bolts into the hole.
Can't reach. Can you reach underneath there and push the carriage bolt through the hole?
Yeah.
I can't. No problem. Use the carriage bolt through the hole.
Yep. With the golden lines.
You put that in there with the cone. Wait a minute.
The cone
Does it show like? I think it shows like. Let's see. The cone side goes toward the blade. I think. So yeah.
Like this?
Yeah.
Okay, and then fits. And then you put
2 washers.
That thing's got to go in that hole. There we go.
Right. Then we need to go get a big wrench.
Yep.
Take your nut over there.
Alright.
And figure out. Get a socket. Probably sand it. You gonna be able to get that on there?
I'm trying to work. So this good? This
I don't know. Yeah.
alright. And hold the camera. Funny, the other episode, he set the call up on me. They're calling for some snow at the beginning of February, so might actually get to use this pretty soon. That's on there. Where's the other one?
Yeah, I'll do it.
Now through the side.
Remember you had to go from underneath.
Yeah. There. 2 washers.
You gotta make sure that gold thing gets in that.
Yeah.
There you go. Let me put my hands on it one time.
Alright. Let's see here.
Oops, I didn't hit you.
It's on there.
Okay.
Okay, now if that's bolted on, now what do we got? You can lift this up and turn the angle of the thing, and then
alright, now
these two holes.
Now we gotta get the springs and eye hooks.
Alright.
Get your springs and your eye hooks.
Alright, here is some eye hooks, and here is 2 springs. Alright, 1 spring, here you go. 2 eye hooks. We got this one. Oh. Now, where do we put the springs? Put them into there. Hooks and then, alright, we're gonna need a couple bolts.
Nuts, yes.
Yeah.
Should be them bigger ones.
Big one.
I think.
Did those.
Oh, did it? Okay.
I'm bringing 2 washers.
Alright, yeah, they're showing.
How many on one?
Yeah, washer on each side.
Alright.
So you put this up here and you put a wash. Well, now how would that? That wouldn't work.
You put a washer on it and then put a little bolt in.
Is there not any lock? I guess you don't need locks.
I'm just gonna add this
Alright.
bolt onto here.
Alright, no, something ain't right about that.
It ain't?
Something ain't right. How many bolts, how many nuts do we have?
We got 4.
Alright, yeah, we need 2 per side.
2 nuts per side.
Yes, sir.
And let me go.
Oh, I see. Yeah, I did that wrong.
Undo them. Put. How many washers do you need per side? 2 per side. I got a
One,
nut.
I need another one.
And I got a washer right there. Now we're gonna add it on to there.
Okay, so I don't think we need to do anything
Tighten it down there.
yet.
Yeah. Now we need the other spring and the other bolts, nuts, and the washer.
Oh, wait.
Uh-oh, what do we do this time?
Default location. Nothing.
Oh,
Alright,
Put the spring in.
so put the spring in.
And then where's the thing? Right here. And put this into this side. And then put a bolt.
Put a nut on. Put a washer first.
Yeah.
Probably want to spin it down a little bit more.
Alright, put a washer. And then throw another nut up here.
We want it to be even, so we've got about 3 threads over here, so.
Lower this one down. Alright, so we want it to be even. We got 3 threads over there. And we want 3 threads over it. Right.
Now you need your other bolts.
Alright. This ain't too hard. Right here. We need this one, and we need this last nut. There you go.
Alright, so now we gotta get. How do we do that?
What do we gotta do? Oh.
We gotta go in
Under?
the middle hole.
Middle hole. Oh. We're gonna have to come in from under it then, or flip it over. Here you go.
Loosen that.
Loosening the bolts again so we can move it down and get the middle.
Take it all the way off. Take the spring off first.
There we go.
So this says in the instructions to use the top middle hole, which is that one.
Alright.
Yeah, top middle hole.
That keeps the blade from going too far back.
That's the correct pitch,
Yeah.
angle, or whatever of the blade.
Yeah.
Here,
That's it.
got to get an Allen wrench. I got some Allen sockets over there.
Yeah.
We need to tighten this up. Oops. I didn't get you to.
No.
Alright. There.
Hey, we was having some fun a minute ago. Well, I was in here flying a drone around. I got this little drone right there. I was flying that around, zipping it through here, and I got
a new set of tools like these right here. See my new wrenches right here.
yeah. Craftsman.
Alright. So, wonder what size it is.
All right, I'm gonna go for a guess. Okay. My guess is gonna be
It's one of these.
this.
It's gonna be one of these.
I'm guessing it's this.
Okay. I don't
I'm
know
guessing
what
it's
size
this
it is.
one.
Well, I think it's bigger than both of these. Bigger than that one.
Bigger than that one. All right, so that's the biggest one.
Let's hope it is.
Yeah.
Hopefully we got one.
I picked the biggest one. I think it's gonna be right.
I'm gonna get this neck. This one right here, I think it's a little bigger too.
All right, we're gonna rock. This is too big.
Oh, that was too big?
Yep. Try that one. We can't never get the right size.
I got it.
You got it?
It's the one I got. Yes, sir.
All right. So we got it finally. Now we can get those on and put the springs back on and put the blades back on.
Size the thing is.
The thing.
The nut. What size is the nut?
Try half.
I bet it's metric.
Try half. 13 millimeter.
Half, right, half of 13 millimeter.
Alright, quick tip. If you want to know what a half is in millimeters, it's 13 millimeters.
It's close to that.
Yeah, it's close. Did it fit?
No.
It did not fit. Probably 9/16.
Yeah, or 15.
Yeah. So. Does that fit? It does not fit. Okay then. Alright, Now let's see if this one will fit. That one don't fit. We're having a hard time. Alright, there we go. I'm gonna do it to this side.
I think that's the wrong size still.
Cause it's slipping a little bit.
See, it looked like it was slipping, won't it?
Yeah. Alright, we're good. Now we can throw the springs back on.
Yeah, now how do we get our springs up there? Them jokers.
They're gonna stretch. Oh Lord. You wanna hook it up to the winch, to the mule and pull it? Can't you?
How do you do that?
I don't know.
Cause I mean,
Can't we move it up? You think we can move it up to that hole? The what? Think we can move it up?
maybe we should hook up the springs
First.
and then
We can loosen them if you want to, and then pull the blade back
and then after we get the springs on,
tighten them back on. All right.
yep. So we've never done this. So.
Yeah, we've never done this. We've never installed a snowplow on anything, not even a truck. Got that one off, now it's time to get this one off. But you done unlock the car.
Yeah, about to set the alarm off again, Owen.
Yep, guys, it's about to be an alarm going off. Well, it was. Alright, that ought to be
Alright, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna use the blade to pull the springs.
Yeah.
So we need to hook the spring up and just barely put it through the hole.
Got it up on this one.
So put it through and then make your thing even like that.
Like that? There we go.
Yeah.
Alright, so we got it halfway up. Well, we don't. Got it barely on. We're going to use that. If you want me to, I can step on it.
Now, let's hook it up to the mule.
Alright.
And then when it's hooked to the mule, we should be able to bend it.
Alright.
I mean, you know, pull the spring
Yeah.
by pulling on the blade. Now, what is the instructions? So we need to hook, wonder which hole we go to. Do we go to the top hole? Or do we go to the bottom hole?
The bottom hole, I think we get more height if we raise the blade.
But the top hole would push harder,
Yeah.
wouldn't it?
I guess.
Because of the angle would be.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm just saying.
I'd put it on the second hole because we got more lift, so we ain't dragging.
Yeah, I wanted probably the upper hole to be as high as it could be, right?
Yeah.
All right. I don't want to slide it on the floor.
Hold on.
Too much.
Remove the camera.
Alright, get your pins.
Alright. Set mine on. So we'll make sure it's on good. Yep. You gonna mine ain't fitting.
I wonder which way it goes.
Probably that.
I'll get yours.
Alright.
I'll help you. You ready?
Yep. You gotta pull it that way. Alright, now push it. There we go.
Alright, now.
Alright, there we go.
Now, work your winch.
Alright. So guys, we're gonna push the winch out. So this is what we're gonna do. Click this button right here.
Other way.
Okay.
Come on. What?
You said the other way.
I know, it's bound up or something. Why is it?
I don't know, I ain't used it last time.
Well, disengage it.
Alright, we're gonna. Alright. That thing's probably done got stuck.
It's messed up, Owen.
How?
It's messed up.
Huh. Let me set the parking brake for a minute.
When was the last time you used it?
When we pulled it back in the winch thing. I ain't used it since, because it's been too cold to ride it.
Thing is messed up. I don't know if we're going to be able to. Might have to take the winch off.
Okay.
The cable is not exactly right. We're going to need to work on this cable for a minute.
Okay. You gonna pull the cable all the way out?
Yeah, we'll pull the cable out. The cable is
like string, like turned up, not on the spool.
Yeah, you know, I want to spool it back.
Like a bird nest on a bait caster. Is that what it's like?
It's not quite, but
it's pretty close.
No, it's not even close to that. But
okay.
I just want to rewrap it.
F5 plow. A little bit more. All right, other way. wrapped up around your foot.
Pull a winch in, it's always got tension on it.
Okay.
You can't wind the cable ever without tension on it.
Yeah. It'll just wrap up and be a big mess.
I'm guessing this is where it goes.
That's the only place that it really could go. Alright, now winch in. Ready?
Mm-hmm. Alright.
Good day. Yeah.
Alright.
Put them bolts in.
Yeah, I'm gonna need your help putting the bolts in.
This one up top?
Yep. Just start them.
Alright.
Yeah, alright.
This one. Now. That winch sounded like it was biting down.
Give me those two tools if you want. As long as I got my feet on it.
There you go. One. Here's two. Alright, I'm gonna pick y'all back up. Let's hope them bolts don't let loose. Let's send them springs flying. The other side. There we go.
Alright, now.
We gotta tighten them back down.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, the winch was like,
is that where the winch goes? It's gotta be, ain't it?
yeah.
Pick it up some more.
Alright.
Slowly. Yeah, I'll do it. You video.
Alright.
It's the upper one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Good night. That goes up a little bit too high. Look. He done opened the shop door. It's always something. Good day. That goes up high.
I don't know when to stop.
I don't think you know. Good God. Riding down just with a snowplow sitting there. We want to keep it down. Good night. Thing facing straight up. Woo! We might want to start the mule up so it ain't running the battery dead.
Man, it's way out there, isn't it? Alright, now you can
Tighten it. Yeah, you can pull that lever up and turn it. We'll most likely pull it that way.
I will. doing this way. We go out and push snow so they go off the side of the driveway.
Yeah.
And then, but then when we turn around,
Yeah, it'll be pushing back off.
yeah, we go pushed out the driveway and then turn around and come back.
Yeah.
It will still be pushing to the outside of the driveway, right?
Yeah. Hey, we go around playing people's driveway.
Uh-huh. All right, now we need to get our little feet.
Okay, yeah.
So we gotta put our feet on.
The skids. Sounds like it's bogging down. Jason's over there putting the mule to the, the winch to the thing.
Still ain't happy with that cable.
Yeah.
It's bound up.
So.
Cable is bound up. Oh.
You're letting it out.
It's got a knot in it.
Oh yeah.
See it?
Yeah, I see it.
Okay, winch out. We'll take this knot out of the cable.
Huh?
In. Keep going. Alright. Now let it out. Hold on. Alright, in. Come on. Come on up. Oh. Alright, now we can put our feet on.
Yep.
With the blade up in the air like that.
Yeah.
Should be able to put our feet on pretty easy.
Yep. Alright, let me go ahead and set y'all up where we can do the job.
Now I want you to stay away from the concrete.
Yeah.
Don't hit a concrete with this.
It'll scrape it.
Because it'll bust our concrete out here.
Yeah.
Let me do that part. When we're around the concrete out here.
Yeah. I guess we'll put these on. Yeah, we'll put these on like this.
If somebody messes up the concrete, I want it to be me, not you.
Yeah. It's loud. Good day, look at all them washers.
A lot of washers ain't, yeah, usually I think you got to put a lot of them on the bottom, on the top. I have to look at the instructions. I'm not sure how they go.
Well, how do they bolt on? I don't see no bolt.
Yep, I don't know. Put just.
I see a pin and it just goes on there. Let me go.
Oh, so is there bolts? Where are the bolts? Get the instructions over there. Get those instructions. Aren't they over there? What's that thing that said KFI? Oh yeah, that's us.
Yep.
Alright, so we want to put our plow KFI, our plow skid kit on. Now, I kick everything through there. Our skid kit. So, what it shows is it shows that and a washer.
This and
one washer first. No, the skid.
okay.
Put a washer, and then two rubber
bushings.
Two rubber bushings.
You gotta push them down.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 washers.
5 washers. Alrighty. Let me get y'all situated. Hold on.
We'll put that back because now you need to put the thing up here.
What? 5 washers?
5 washers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right, now you need to bolt your bracket to your
Fine.
to your plow.
Alright.
And that's just 2 bolts, 2 nuts.
Yep. There it is.
Okay, it looks like this part with a little dip is on the bottom. It'll go here.
You just pull the nut out. And I got the nut sitting right here in place.
Alright, we need an open end wrench. Here, go over there, take this over there.
Get a socket out of it.
Figure out which, I probably got a socket. Because I got this whole set over here.
Yeah.
I just need an open end wrench because I can't fit a socket up inside the blade.
Yeah. It's a 9/16.
Okay. Yep, it's a 9/16 here too.
Here's the.
So let's put these in there.
Alright.
So
That one's had a couple years of
it's turned
hard
a
work.
few bolts.
Yeah.
In its lifetime.
Yep.
It's a little worn out.
Yeah. This concrete's cold. I'm sitting here.
Alright, now
Put some skids in it.
put your skids on it.
And then put the pin in it. Yep. Here's a pin.
So we need 3 washers.
1, 2, 3.
Is what it says. I don't know how we're gonna fit 3.
Nope, we're not. Just put 1 or 2 of them.
Let's put 1. Alright, 2.
2.
Let's try 2. Yeah. Just barely.
Yeah. Okay. Skid number 1's on.
Now we can vary the height so that this doesn't dig into our
gravel.
concrete. I mean our
Gravel.
gravel too much. By we could pull this out and add washers.
Yeah,
We can
lengthen it
add
out.
2 down here, up to 2 down here probably.
Yeah.
But that's all, isn't it?
We
No.
wouldn't have no washers up top then.
I know we wouldn't have any
Yeah.
up top, would we?
No.
All right, do the same to the. Got to do the same to
So
the other side.
This.
Hand me the bracket and the bolts.
Here you go. You go ahead and put them things on it while I get this ready. 1. I need 2 bushings. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2, and this. All right. I'm gonna move y'all to the other side. I'm just gonna put that bracket on again. Yep. There you go. Y'all can see it. gonna be nice having that windshield in there. Now all we need is some soft doors or hard doors for it.
Need to get us some doors sooner or later.
Yeah, are we gonna do it?
One thing at a time.
Yeah. You think we'll do it?
Maybe one day.
Yeah.
Probably. This is probably all we're gonna spend this year.
Yeah.
So we'll just have to wrap up.
Yeah. I'll bring my some of my hunting stuff that I keep warm in over, and I'll stuff all of that. You turned it the wrong way, didn't you?
I think the thing hung up on me. The wrench started going backwards on me.
Yeah. I'm pretty good. Okay, are you ready? No, I got the skid ready. I'll probably publish this tonight. I'll just go through and edit it tonight. Let me see if I can find a different editing thing on the computer.
This wrench. I need another.
Maybe we should do how you use that.
It won't fit. These are 3/4 inch drive sockets. I need a 9/16 socket.
For half.
For 3/8 inch drive. Yeah.
Winch raises up high.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah. Hopefully having this winch on here will have enough tension on it, it'll get the knot out. We could fit another one on this side.
Maybe.
Yeah. Alright, there we go. Skids are on.
Alright, let
the winch down.
down.
I'm going to let it down.
Alright, see. Now, is that too high? Does it say anything? Get you up. Now get, let's get a measuring
Yeah.
thing.
Measuring tape.
A measuring tape.
Yeah.
Now, how high is our blade from the actual ground?
I'd say an inch. Well, a 1/4 inch.
It's more like an inch and more than an inch. It's more like an inch and a quarter, about an inch and a quarter, inch and 3/8. So, does that say anything about how high it's supposed to be?
Nope, not at all. Not at all, not even one thing.
This doesn't either. Alright, so
You gonna take some washers out?
I want to take, so now let's go 2 washers off the bottom. Take 2 washers off the bottom and put them on the top. Is that'll
Yeah.
go ahead. On the inside. And I'm gonna get this top tightened up. Because we need to tighten the springs here.
Alright, let me make sure. Yep. Alright. Can I have a flathead for a minute so I can get this thing off?
Here, why don't you...
Or some pliers or something? Okay. Thank you. That was easy. So take 2 off the bottom and put them on the top. 1,
Right.
2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good gosh! Thing to fell off and fall apart. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. You get it. Alright. Let's do it to this side. There we go.
And then let's see what the height is. I want about an inch.
Alright. I'm gonna hold on to it this time.
It fell out the floor on you, didn't it?
Thing still fell off, but I forgot to put a washer down here at the bottom.
Oh. Well, now that's going to be different then. So you just want the same amount.
Yeah.
1 at the bottom. And then 3. Then your 2 bushings.
Yeah.
And then 3.
4 on top. Alright, can you hand me those 2 sitting on the floor? There. 3, and then I got that one right there. Thank you. 4 and 2. Okay.
Alright, lower it back down. Let's measure the height again.
Alright.
What do I do with measuring stick? Oh, it's over there on the other side of the chair.
Okay. I found it, guys.
So 2 of them should have made about I don't know, at least a 1/4 inch difference.
Yeah. What is in there?
So yeah, it's right at 1 inch.
Alright, is that where you want it?
Yeah.
Alright.
Well, so that's what we'll try.
Okay.
Is we're gonna try that. So okay, it's ready.
Okay. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to hit that like button, share and subscribe. And don't forget to check out Jasmo GT's channel. Right there, that's Jasmo GT, and there's the car we take to the track. See you next time.